Hello everybody. So this is first lesson where we try to use AI system which is called Goal Action Planning System. So when we go to FAB, we can try to find goal-oriented programming system, and basically we have here 4 possibilities. I think this one, I haven't seen this in action, but what I have read it, this is the best one, this is very flexible one. I didn't test this one tool, and now we have 2 free systems. So this system have 5-star, but when I install it and read documentation, it seems it's still in beta version. So I decide to use this one. This one is not developed anymore. The last version is from 2022. So it's not maintained. So when we come here, you can put in your library. But if you go to the launcher and you find it here, if you choose this version, it's not possible to install it to 554 or newest version of the Unreal Engine. So this is not possible and you need to do another way. So we go inside here to the description, and here is example project which is also not working when you compile it. So we go back to the main tree, and this is plugin itself. So as you can see, it's 3 years ago, and I'm not using directly this one, but I try to use there is another version. So this version is supporting basically when you make precondition or when you make effect, you need to put there some bool variable, and you will set it for true or false. In the original plugin, this is solved by the string, but in this version it's solved by gameplay tag. And I think using gameplay tag it's better, because when you use a string, there is possibility that you didn't write a string in proper value, so you need to copy paste, you make a mistake, etc, etc. So we go to this page. I will put a link in the description, and we will download the zip file. So I saved the plugin, and now we need to put it in our project. open Unreal Engine 554. I will use, for example, third person. I need to calibrate my fingers, but okay, at least I'm able to manage to create new project. So we have now our new project. If we look in our plugins, trying to find something, it's not here. So we close Unreal Engine. We go to folder where we put our project. In our project, we create new folder with name plugins, and we will copy the GOAP plugin to this folder. So we have here in our folder, here is new folder plugins, here is the plugin, and we try to open the project again from the Unreal Engine. By the opening, it says that it opened with different version. So if we like to rebuild it, we say yes. And it says it cannot be compiled and we need to rebuild manually. So this is more difficult. So first of all, we will delete our complete project. And second, we need to create project in C++. So we create a new project, third person, C++. But it says that we need to install Visual Studio 2022. So Visual Studio 2022. We will select the Visual Studio Community 2022. And we start the installer. So we can close again the Unreal Engine in the meantime. And what we need here. So basically we need to create games in C++ language. So I selected this one. And here is also installation program of the Unreal Engine. And here is some adapter test, I'm not sure. But basically we need C++ game development, and only what I don't know if this is test adapter Unreal Engine. I'm not sure if we need this. Android Visual Studio for Unreal Engine. Okay, let's install this one and we will see. This will take some time, so we will return back after it's finished. So after installation it's finished, we need to restart the computer just to be sure. So we will meet again after restart. So we are now after restart. We open our Unreal Engine. We create a project again, so third person, C++. This will take a little bit longer because it need to also open the Visual Studio. I click on maybe later. So now I try to copy again the plugin. So we go to our folder. We create a folder plugins. I find this NPC master. And I built it again. Okay. So there is something wrong. So we close the project. We close also this one. And what I like to do, you go back to the folder. You right click on the AU project file and you generate the project file again. And now I start Visual Studio as administrator. So right click on the icon, right click on the Visual Studio, start as administrator. We open this project again. And we build it again. Okay, it was successfully compiled, so now we can close it. From our plugins, we can delete the old one, and we can put it as a backup somewhere. We can start a new engine. Now we can open our project. So now you can check it that first you can try to go to plugins and find for GOAP. You can see this is now checked, and also you can You can check it that you can try to create new blueprint class. You will choose all classes, and you have here now different GOAP functions. So you have GOAP controller, GOAP game mode. So now if we close the project, when we can delete it also. So when we create complete new project, we can do what we did on the beginning. So we open Unreal Engine. We make first person game. Now we can choose blueprint only, so we don't need C++. We create new project. So we can close it, and now we can find our new project. We create plugin folder, and we make here. So this is our GOAP master, GOAP master. So GOAP NPC master. So this is the plugin which we compiled. You can put it here, or you need to put it here. And now when you open your project again, now it's opened. When we go to plugin, then the plugin is activated and ready for use.